Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be discussing about RGB color model, a deep dive. This presentation will explore the RGB color model, explaining its structure, how it's generated, and its practical application in web design. Understanding the color theory. Color is a fundamental element in design that influences visual perceptions, evokes emotions. Color theory explores the science behind color and the ways in which the colors interact with each other. This is the understanding the color theory, and you can see at the right side, you can see different colors. RGB color model explained. Here there are three types of color models. Yes, sorry. RGB color model explained. There are primary colors, additive color mixing, and range. Now let's move on to the primary colors. Primary colors red, green, and blue are the primary colors in RGB model, representing the fundamental building blocks of all the colors. Like you have a RGB like keyboard and something like that. So you will find different colors. Additive color mixing in RGB colors, colors are created by adding the light from the primary colors. Combining all the three colors creates white. A range. Each color is represented by a numerical value from 0 to 255, indicating the intensity of each primary color. Additive versus subtractive color mixing. Additive, this is a method of involving adding the light from primary colors such as in the computer screens and television. Subtractive, this method uses pigments that observe certain wavelengths of light, leaving others to reflect back. It is used in printing. Primary and secondary in RGB. Red, the primary color in RGB model representing the hue of blood and fire. Green, the primary color representing the color of nature, leaves and grass. Blue, a primary color associated with the sky, oceans and serenity. These RGB means these are the main three colors, that is red, green and blue. Representing the colors in hexadecimal code, a six-digit hexadecimal code such as ash ff, four zeros for red represents RGB values in the web design. Hexadecimal system uses a base 16 to represent the numbers with symbols 0 to 9 and A to F, offering a compact way to present color values. Each pair of hexadecimal digits represents the red, green, and blue components ranging from 0 to 00 to FF. Generating RGB values programmatically. Code example. Using programming examples like JavaScript or Python to generate RGB values based on different algorithms or user inputs. Random generation. Create a random RGB value by generating random integers between 0 and 255 for each color component. Color platelets. Develop algorithms to create color platelets based on specific rules or relationships between colors, such as complementary, unlocks, or triadic colors. Applying RGB colors in web design. There are 255 is the red, G is 0 and B is 0, and green, that is 255 and B 0. You can see on the right hand side like, which color is represented, that color value is 255 and others are 0. Color pickers and color generators. Color pickers, you can see the which color you want to pick, and the color generators are the generators which generates the color similar to that color which you choose. Choosing effect RGB colors. Consider the purpose. Choose colors that align with the brand, website, or project's overall theme and message. Color psychology. Understand how colors affect emotions, perceptions, and user behavior to make informed color choices. Accessibility. Ensure that the color combinations provide sufficient contrast for readability and visibility for all the users. Thank you.